My story begins, it's about a lion and a pig, how they became best friends. It starts at high school where the lion was popular, handsome, but he was a dumb at school. And Piggy was insecure, he was not popular, but he was good at school and with money. So one day the principal called the lion and told him that if he wants to go to the prom, he needs to improve his grades. So, and also told him that he knows someone that could help him, and that's where Piggy enters. They met each other. Piggy started helping the lion at school, but also Pig, the lion, started giving some advices to Piggy how to be popular, how to socialize. So the days passed and these two animals became best friends. The prom they came and the lion was there because he improved his grades with the help of Piggy, and also Piggy was there. So they celebrated, dancing, getting drunk, having fun. Yeah.
Best. Okay, I'm going to talk about a story between lion and mice. There was like a gang of mice playing around the lion. So they were doing like a lot of noise. And so the lion woke up. And when he woke up, he started like to grab all the mice he could, but he only grabbed one. And then the mouse convinced the lion if he let the mouse go, the mouse would do him a favor. So he let it go, but the lion didn't believe anything. So the time passed, and the lion got trapped. So the mouse was like coming by, and he saw the lion. So the mouse promised to help the lion. He did. So he started like cutting the rope, so that the lion could get out. And so the lion got out and ran away. And like the message of the story is to always believe in those little promises that each of one do, because they can someday be helpful at the part of the life.
This is a story about a lion and a wolf. Once upon a time in a beautiful kingdom, there was a lion that lives in a house, in a small house. Someday the lion sees a wolf, a beautiful wolf, walk every day in the yard, the kingdom. The wolf fall in love with the wolf, but the wolf never seen the lion, never wants to talk with the lion or something else. The wolf stay with her friends and the other animals. The lion starts to do everything to talk with the wolf, but the wolf never seen what the lion was doing. Someday the lion in the morning talk with all the animals in the kingdom to know what the wolf loves to do, what is his favorite music and everything else. But all the animals in the kingdom say to the lion that the wolf is ugly. No one likes the wolf. The lion don't hear anything about the other animals say, and he tried more to say that they go out with the wolf. Someday the wolf knows all the things that the lion was doing, and she accepts to go out with the lion. And the message of the story is a lion doesn't consider himself the opinion of a sheep.
I'm going to talk about the story of a movie called Madagascar, and it's about four animal friends. One of them is a lion, the others are zebra, hippo, and giraffe. But mainly the lion is like the most important in that story. And so they were zoo animals and they lived a normal life, but one day the zebra decided to go away from the zoo and he went to the subway and his friends followed him and